How to copy and paste on Mac. I'm going to show you how to do this in multiple scenarios and multiple ways to do this. Let's get started. So let's start off with the text. You can select a specific word by holding down your touchpad and dragging your other finger across it. You can see this word has been copied, and now what you want to do is right click, or you can use two fingers and click on the touchpad, and then here you can see we have a copy option. I'm going to select it, go to the next line by hitting enter, and then to paste it I'm going to right click again and select paste. Now this can work with an entire sentence as well. I'm just going to select it as I told you right now, and after I've selected it I'm going to right click and then select paste. As you can see, the sentence has been copied, right? But if you want to use a keyboard shortcut, you can actually select a certain word or sentence, whatever you want to do, and then you can select, or you can press Command plus C and then press Command plus V. As you can see, it has copied. But what if I want to copy it twice? Let's go to the next line. I just hit Command plus V this time, and the next time, and the next time, and it goes on and on for how many ever times you actually need it to. So that is how you copy and paste on text. Now I'll show you it on a folder. So as you can see, I have 3 files over here named share, like and subscribe, which you guys should do on this channel. So I want to select share and copy it to like, right? So I'm going to press Command plus C. As you can see, the top left corner, the edit button is going to actually flash at us, and that is your confirmation. You can just open this folder by double clicking on it and then press Command plus V. If you want to move the file, however, you can just drag it and drop it over here. And as you can see, we have 2 of the same files. I'm going to select keep both, and here you can see we have share, copy. So if I am to select a particular file that is already in the folder, it is going to create a copy. But what if I want to move the like folder into the subscribe folder? I can just drag it and drop it like so. I can open the folder and then drag it and drop it like so. So that is how you do it. You just need to use your touchpad, or you can also copy and paste. So if you want to move the folder, you can also press Option, Command and then V. You can see it has disappeared from the desktop and into this folder. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.